Time is very slow for those who wait, very fast for those who are fear, very long for those who are sad, very short for those who are celebrate. But for that, time is eternal. There you are. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Small Talk. So, in our today's discussion, we're going to talk about the literal meaning of the time. We already know how long or how short the second is, a minute or hour, or how long the day, weeks, months, or a year, or even a century or a millennium. But at some point, time is not constant. Let me explain further. According to Van Hendrik Jr., he says, time is very slow for those who wait, very fast for those who are fear, very long for those who are sad, and very short for those who celebrate. Let me explain one by one. So, very short for those who wait. So, imagine yourself when you are in a bus station waiting for a bus, and you have to catch up 2 hours from now for your job interview. So, you need to in that moment you want to fast forward the time because the time was very slow, right? Another, time is very fast for those who are fear. So the best example is that for those who are inmates with death row penalty, imagine yourself when you are one of them and you got 3 days from now before your execution, and that person or that you must consider that the time is very fast because knowing that 3 days from now will be your end. So in that case, you want to freeze the time because that was really fast, right? Another, time is very long for those who are sad. So in this state, that time will likely you feel that it was very long because, for example, when you have very close your family relatives who just pass away, and you may consider yourself reminiscing that past or what you have together with embracing the memory, and that was very long. Believe me, I have done that. And next, time is very short for those who celebrate. So very short because the moment you are enjoying, you want to freeze also because the time is very short. You want because you enjoy that moment, right? And time for those who love is eternal, and that would be our next topic. So thank you and bye bye.